Ever felt like your subscriber count is holding you back on YouTube? Today, we're diving into how you can take control of what the world sees about your channel's growth by hiding your YouTube subscriber count. First things first, you'll need to head over to YouTube Studio. You can usually find a direct link in your YouTube account's drop-down menu, or simply by searching for YouTube Studio in your browser. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look for the Settings option in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. In the pop-up window or on the new page, you'll see a few different menu items. Select Channel from the list. Now, within the channel settings, you'll want to find and click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down this section until you locate the Subscriber Counts option. You'll see a checkbox here, and by default, it's likely checked, meaning your subscriber count is publicly displayed. To hide your subscriber count, simply uncheck this box. You've now successfully removed your subscriber number from public view. And that's it. Your subscriber count is now private. This can be great for new creators building momentum, or for established channels on a strategic growth phase, allowing your content to shine without the pressure of public numbers. Remember, hiding your subscriber count is a powerful tool for you to control your channel's narrative. Experiment and see what works best for your creative journey.